Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, October 19, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, October 19, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong October 19, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, October 19, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for October 19, 2024, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, October 19, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.